I definitely will scare you if you look at me for too long right now. But I finish up my hair extension course tomorrow. I'm a little behind, so I'm trying to get all caught up today. And today it is practicing on a live model. So Braylee is my live model today, and we're gonna practice putting extensions in her hair. I would just run up the stairs, and this always really get me. Braylee will actually be my first model. Like, I'm gonna practice on her for a while before I start offering my services, because it's been a while since I've done hair, so I'm a little nervous. Feeling a little rusty, but we're gonna put these in and see. I'm not gonna keep them in. There are only 2 wefts here, and she would need a lot more than that, but it's just a practice. So much hair. Just to pass off that assignment. I finished Braylee's hair really quickly, but I have to go to a meeting, so it's just like that. We need to take them out. They don't look the greatest, but she said they feel really good, so yay. Anyways, I'm running out the door because I have a meeting for a little Christmas event that I'm helping with. Really excited, really hoping it all goes well. I am nervous.
I'm going to a birthday party.
Okay, make sure everything's cleaned up. Hi. I am getting a Glowforge laser cutter that I'm so excited about, and I'm helping with the craft. I always forget my phone. I always lose my phone. Anyways, I'm really excited about the Glowforge. I'm really excited with the different things that you can do with them. And I'm excited to show you guys. I thought about making craft kits. Hi.
Guys, I'm going to you guys.
Where's my phone?
After my mom's meeting,
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna go to.
We'll see. Everything needs to be cleaned up. I thought about making craft kits that I could send out, and then making craft videos to go along with it. Would that be fun? Is that something you guys would be interested in? Let me know, because that would make all my dreams come true. I just got back from taking Winston to a birthday party, and Layla is currently in the car. Oh, here she comes. She's mad at me because she couldn't stay. Then she fell asleep as soon as we got in the car. So, but I had to show you what I got because these are my favorite, and I'm so excited. They were open today. There's like this little, it was like a slushy or like an icy shack, and they turned it into a little shack where they now make chocolate covered cinnamon bears, but these ones are also caramel, so it's cinnamon bear, caramel, and then chocolate. They're the best things ever. I have been craving them. I'm so happy they were open. And also, look, Layla, what I got. Caramel apple. This is the apple pie one. It's so good. So basically, it's gonna be a party tonight. You love that kind?
I can't even wait.
Okay, you can have some of this. Are you ready? You guys want some of this? I love this kind. They have a lot of yummy kinds, but I just always love this kind the most.
I can get a knife for you, Mom.
No, I'll get a knife.
Ready, what?
Winston, how was the birthday party?
It was nice.
So good? Here, I'll turn this on for you. Here we go. Wash
I
this
said hello
hands.
to
Really
Dad
good.
and Cat.
You said hello to Winston's friends?
Yeah.
That's so nice.
And to my birthday party, I'm going to beat them up. All with his friends.
Oh my.
This is my
Oh
girlfriend?
my.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Okay, you can have this other little piece. Layla's gonna eat all the caramel apples. Here you go. Cut it. This one's for Winston boy.
Take more than one paper towel when you're washing your hands. Guess what happens?
You get your hands cut off. What is this? Very interesting.
Guys.
Look at how adorable Layla's pictures are this year.
Look at
They're
mine.
so darn cute. These are Winston's pictures from last year.
Don't see mine. There one's Brady cut it out.
And these are Winston's this year. Cute.
These are mine.
I can't even handle the cuteness.
Guys, you want one?
Winston's changed quite a bit this year, but it is insane to see Layla's pictures from last year compared to this year. Do you know where they are? Yours from last year? Go grab one. So what is this, Winston? The things that the kids make crack me up. This is definitely glued on here. What is it?
That's not put it on.
Oh, here they are, Layla. Oh. Oh, wow. Oopsies. Hey. Okay. No playing with these because look, it's all bent.
That was Layla.
Look at this.
Like,
It's so wild.
look, it's a little toy if I don't have
You look
toys.
like a little baby, and now you look like a big girl. What
Look
the
at
heck?
this, Mom.
Layla?
Layla popped up. That was when I was thin. This is when I'm full.
I know, but that's just such a difference. I'm gonna start making you wear your hair in pigtails.
Nope.
Yes.
Nope.
Yes.
You are it.
Yes, I am.
No, you aren't. Mom, Every time I have pictures, I should have those.
Yeah, you should. That would be funny.
No, I'm gonna have my hair like that. That's
Okay.
cute.
It is really cute. I love it.
And guys, look at my. He's nuts, right, guys?
I look adorable.
And
I love it.
And it looks like a helmet.
Layla insisted on wearing this outfit.
Yeah, and I just wearing.
Yeah, you look beautiful. They did get those. That was very nice.
Those are well
They're beautiful.
I got it from her boyfriend.
Not boyfriend, just a date. Just a nice boy that showed up to pick Braylee up for a date and brought her flowers. So nice. It's like, okay. Who wants to go to bed early? Is everyone tired? The time changed, obviously. Everyone knows that. Daylight savings. And I am so tired so early. It's crazy. Last night, I think I fell asleep before 1 in the morning. And I know that sounds like, what? I usually don't fall asleep until like 2 or 3. Well, do you think Rosie wants a treat or something? What? Do you want a treat or something? I'll get you a treat. Let's get a treat. Come on. Markel and Jess just got a new puppy. Oh, I'm dying to go see it. I can't wait. I don't know if they've posted a video. Hopefully they will post a video. But if not, go to their Instagram and look at their adorable puppy. Markel and Jess got a puppy. I'll show you guys pictures. It's so cute. Go and look at it.
The other dog, what's his name?
So cute. I don't know what they've named her yet. It's a little girl. Hey Rosie, are you ready for a treat, huh? I'm so excited. I just gave her some yummy food. You'd think that she's just starving. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, sit down. Good girl, sit. Good girl. Are you sitting? I can't
Mom,
tell.
see all this? See all this, Mom?
That's a good girl.
She said to clean up. Mom, I
Good girl, that's a nicest
remember
girl.
when you said, when you told me to clean, I did that.
So good. Thanks, Winston.
Look inside of Belle.
Oh wow.
It's a little pattern.
It's a very beautiful pattern. Thank you. Thank you for that.
Look at that one.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah,
Can you see this pattern? It's so pretty. Thanks, bud.
I even did the couch.
I told Winston he had to help clean up the house before he went. So we made patterns on the fridge. It's been a couple days since I vlogged last. We went to Hobby Lobby and it's been such a long time since I've been there that I felt like I was just like, ah. It was like so much to take in that I couldn't even process all of the things, and then my kids were also screaming. So we didn't stay there very long. But as we were leaving, I was walking through the different stems and I found these. I've really been wanting a cedar garland. I would love to have a fresh one, but I had one last year hanging from the banister and it died so fast. So then I was trying to spray it with water and then I ended up doing damage to my banister. Like I had paint peeling from the water because I don't know what I'm doing. And I've tried to find cedar garlands online to buy, and they're really expensive, or they're sold out, or they don't look the way that I want them to look. So I was like, I think I could make a garland out of these, and I'm working on that right now because they're $4.99, but they're half off, and I'm hoping, I think that I ended up getting 9. I just grabbed them, honestly, because I didn't get a cart because I wanted to hurry. We went to get paper, and then my hands were full. So I think I have 9, and I am just connecting them. I'm just connecting them here using zip ties. I was gonna do wire, but then I remembered I had these. I just got them from the dollar store, and I'm just connecting them. I want this to kind of like drape down. So I'm just, lining up the stems and zip tying them together and then kind of cutting away any of that extra stem. And I like how it looks so far. I'm excited, so I'm gonna keep working on that. I actually love just like sitting and doing crafts and things like this. So, and I definitely need it. It's almost like, it gives me the same feeling as like meditating. I can kind of just like zone out and craft. I don't know, don't ask me why. Anyways, I'm hoping that I have some extra because they have these long pieces. And I'll probably fill in some of the wreath with this, but I'm hoping that I don't need all of these because I really want a green Christmas tree. I always want a flocked Christmas tree. I had a flocked Christmas tree that I bought probably like 16 years ago. It was right after we got married, and I loved it so much. And I do love flocked Christmas trees. But every year since then, I've had different flocked Christmas trees. I ordered another one 2 years ago. So that is why it's so dumb that I want a different Christmas tree. And that is why I'm not allowing myself to get another Christmas tree. I do love flocked Christmas trees. I really do. They're so beautiful. And so what I was thinking is that I could take this and maybe just fill in some spots with anything that's left over and hopefully kind of add some green. Also, I'll show you what else I'm working on. I have a project out here, a project in my bedroom. Story of my life. That's how I do things. Don't ask me why. So I wanted to add more green, but I didn't want to spend a bunch of money on ornaments. I have plenty of ornaments that I really love, and I don't know if I'm just going through this like green phase and I'm not gonna like it next year. I'm gonna buy ornaments and then I'm not gonna use them. So I got yarn, this yarn. It wasn't on sale, which was a giant bummer, or I would have gotten this one. And then they had one that was a little different material, that was a little more fuzzy than this. So I thought it would be really easy to make pom-poms for a garland. So that's what I'm working on. This is what this one looks like. It's not the greatest, but also I kind of love it. So I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna make a garland to wrap around my tree, or it could also be like little ornaments just to add in there. So that's what I'm working on. What do you think? I love it. I'm so happy with how it worked out. So I ended up spending like 25 bucks maybe. I didn't add it up. Around there to make this garland. And I really love it. I did end up using all of the pieces. I was hoping to put some in the Christmas tree. Not happening. Have it down a little lower because I want to also layer greenery, but this might be too big. I was kind of trying to put it on and it seemed kind of big. Then I thought about getting a different type of greenery and then kind of like having it hang down even lower. So I don't know. I'm just gonna try a few different things, but I'm excited about how that turned out because I really love it. If this doesn't work to be like layered up above it, then I'll probably move this up and then put that other garland along the top where I usually put it. But I just kind of wanted to decorate the front of the mantle rather than the top of the mantle. Always a relief when it works out. I was really bummed that I didn't have extra, but they had a bunch. They had tons at my Hobby Lobby, so I think I'm just gonna go get a few more. But they are really thick, so you can use pieces, so I won't have to put like one whole stem in the tree. I can break it off into multiple pieces and put it throughout the tree. I don't know, we'll see. But, I mean, I think that this turned out great. I'm really, really happy. It was probably not even 25 bucks. And I haven't been able to find a garland that was this length and this full for, I think the cheapest one I found was $45. And it wasn't this long and it wasn't this thick. It was very sparse. So if you're looking for something like this, do it. I was also trying to like make it work with what I had. If I would have gotten like 10 or 11, think of how big that would be. And then that would be, I mean, max 30 bucks. I don't know how. They're like $2.50 each. However much that is. Am I wrong? I need to add this up now. $22.50. Hello. I was just talking to my sister and I was like, I think that my brain has officially just stopped working. I really need to sleep. I haven't been able to sleep because Casey's gone, and sometimes I just get a little nervous when Casey's gone. Last night I was sure that there was a serial killer in the backyard, but it was just the wind.